Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be talking about a chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and others. So let's get started. So before we proceed with the chart of gold here, I would like to talk about the DXY. And as we can see that DXY has come down, come down to the sweet spot of the support on the daily chart. I have talked about this support level previously also, and yesterday we were hoping that during the NFP market DXY would respect the level, and yes, DXY has respected the level, and we can see that the beautiful setup on the daily chart on the DXY is still very much valid for us. Okay, we can see that we have a support on the daily chart and the swings are still very beautiful. So if we follow the pattern of DXY here, so in the coming days, in the coming week, there is a beautiful good possibility for DXY to go up from here. So there is a possibility that DXY will be going up in the pattern it is following. Okay, and there will be some pressure, some selling on the chart of gold. Okay, but the problem for the last couple of days is that gold is not following. Okay, gold is not following well DXY. Probably you have also seen very well that previously DXY and the correlation between DXY and the gold was extremely well, but right now the relation is not going smoothly very well. So be careful. Okay, be careful with the levels of gold. Okay, and right now simply focus on the levels of gold, but yes, keep in mind that yes, DXY is also there. Okay, right now the relation is not going smooth, but keep in mind if we see any huge movement on the US dollar chart, DXY chart, then obviously you will feel the effect on the chart of gold as well. Okay, and considering the present setup of dollar DXY, there is a good possibility of dollar going up from here, and there will be some pressure, okay, on gold. So let's talk about the chart of gold right now, because this chart is much more important. Yeah. Market closed at 1807. So this is the last traded price of gold here. So today you can see that I do not have any lines on the chart. Okay, so I'll be drawing them just in front of you right now. So first of all, if we consider the resistance, okay, of this market, then to be honest, okay, we do not have any strong resistance right now. But yes, okay, this level is the new resistance for us. 1814 to 1870. Previously, I talked about 1870 level, but yesterday when we saw that there was some strong price rejection from 1814 level, so there will be some pressure on 1814 level again. So 1814 to 1817 is a resistance level for you. So if market goes up, then obviously there will be some pressure in this level. For day trading purpose, if you see price rejection from above, you can take a sell position. Okay, so if you see price rejection from above in this level, you can take a sell position. And if market breaks the level, okay, if market breaks the level and starts going up, if you see that the size of the candle is good, the price has the support of volume, then you can also take a buy position here as well. But yes, the size of the candle should be good. It means that price should have the support of volume. That's it. Okay. And if you're looking for a safer entry, then you can wait for a couple of hours and just see how the market is doing, how the market is reacting. If you see that price is sustaining above the level here, and market is trading comfortably, yes, comfortably, then you will get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support. Okay, and then you can definitely take a buy position with your stop loss below 1840 level. Okay, below 1840 level, because the resistance will become the new support. Clear? And if market starts coming down, then the previous support, yes, the previous support of 1790 is still valid for us. Okay, previous support of 1790 is still valid for us. And sorry, 1790 to 1788 is a valid support now. Okay, so if market comes down, then 1719 1788 you can consider it as a valid support. And in case there is a heavy selling on the market, let's say there is a sudden selling on the market, you are seeing big red candles, then your next reliable support will be 1780 to 1781. This will be your reliable support. So as of now, for Monday and Tuesday, as we do not have any crazy event coming up, okay, so as of now, okay, just consider that for gold, 1780 to 1781 is the ultimate support here. And in case of a sudden fall in the market, 1790 to 1788 is also a good support. So if market comes down to this level, and if you see market bouncing from this level, you will get the confirmation that yes, these supports are still valid, and you can take a buy position. Okay, and apart from these two levels, I would like to talk about one more level here. Okay, and the level is 1792. Yes, yesterday we found that 1792 also acted as minor support. Okay, consider the word minor support here, because we only saw market bouncing from this level yesterday only. So it means that for day trading purpose, for scalping purpose, there is an opportunity for mainly day traders only, then market may bounce from here. Okay, I'm not saying that this can be a huge trend reversal level, but yes, for day trading purpose, for scalping purpose, you may get an opportunity of around 10-20 pips if market bounces from here. But keep in mind, this is just a minor support, not a very strong support. In case of a heavy fall in the market, this level will not be able to hold the market. Okay, so at the top we have 1814 to 1817 on the upside, and the bottom we have 1780, then 1788 to 90, and for scalpers 1792 can be another level. Okay, these are the levels for the chart of gold right now for Monday and Tuesday. I'll be coming down again on Monday, and I'll be telling you, I'll be sharing, okay, if anything bad happens, not only bad, good also happens to the market. So bye bye, take care. Hopefully you liked the video. Bye bye. And I forgot to mention, follow strict risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. So it's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye.